What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Otto, man. I'm back with another video, man. I know I've been gone for a minute. See what I got with me, man.
Yeah, man. It's your boy Stunner 2 Ton checking in the cut, man. No cut, but we still out here fresh for y'all. For make sure y'all subscribe to
His link gonna be right there. Now subscribe to the bro. His link gonna be right there, though.
Yeah, y'all know what to do.
But yeah, man. Like I said, I've been gone. But that's been real hard, though. Yeah, man, like I said, man, I've been gone for a minute, and I'm gonna do a story time while I've been gone, but I'm back on the tube, more consistent than ever. Right now, man, we're doing a little vlogging. Gonna meet up with the guys. Little bold night, handle some business. So y'all stay tuned. Gonna be a lit vlog. What you just try to do, bro?
Man, try to get some free rings on home.
What's that? Like I said, it's gonna be a lit vlog, man. Right now we in S Park with it. Right now, man, I finna hit that goddamn little candy store. Called Rocket Field. Boy, they got everything in him, boy. Anything you need, boy, they got it, boy. Y'all comment down below what's y'all favorite candy is. Y'all see something y'all think I should try on the channel, let me know. Everything is it, huh? But these the ones. Wow. Let me get back with y'all when I get outside the store. Yeah, man, just left out the little candy store. Got some slight, some little camembert. You gotta have them. That's Slick, my middle name right there. Y'all ain't know that. I don't know what flavor they use. A little Skittle. My second time having these are bust down. And you know you gotta get the goddamn pocket. These bitch ain't good. I don't eat the strawberry and the white chocolate. But yeah, man, if you in Noonan, Georgia, y'all go support them, man. But you know I gotta hit the one more stop before I leave, though. Let me get back with y'all when I leave up. Hey man, just got that little cookie play. I see the boy got going on over there. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel, follow along.
That's it.
Yeah. Boy finna cook something up now. I might be on the channel doing it, you know what I'm saying? But giving no, you know what I'm saying? But ain't me doing YouTube and man, checks ain't here. I said he giving out $100. I might need to go and hit that more.
I'm trying to get monetized. I should start skipping through the videos, watch the video to the end. Hit that like button, please. Got that like button.
Man, what y'all folks been up to, man? It's been about 3 months, 6 months. About 4 months for real since I've been on YouTube, man. It's been cool, man. I'm gonna give y'all story time on why I ain't been on YouTube. These bitches hit, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna give y'all story time on why I ain't been on YouTube, what happened, what made me take a little break from YouTube. I know I saw something here. Hold on real quick, phone ringing. I'm recording on my phone. I don't feel like put on the camera. But Yeah, I'm saying, man, yeah, I'm recording on my phone. I'm like vlogging on that camera right now. I'm probably vlogging that once I get to the bowling alley. Finna meet up with a couple of the guys, man. Right now, me and Stunner. But DJ about to pull up. And then we're gonna meet everybody else at the bowling alley. Got a little lit game night out at the bowling alley. We're gonna see who got them. This is our first time really bowling together, so finna see who know how to bowl and who don't. Y'all know your boy know how to bowl though. You know, I do a little something. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all once we get to the bowling alley. Yeah, man, we just got to the bowling alley. Y'all see I got the members with me.
What? Oh.
Got the members with me.
What you gonna say?
Fucking members, man. I told y'all I won.
What you gonna say, bro? What should I say?
He said, what should I say?
I don't know. Hold up. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Quay from that Bama. I'm from the A, but not Atlanta.
Hey, so man.
I'm finna get off that. Y'all ain't got no salt. Y'all like the video. If you like your mama, like the video.
Hey, so what the lose gotta do? What the lose gotta do?
Chip challenge.
Ooh.
I ain't gonna lie.
So said, shit. I'm let y'all know, if I lose, I'm running out. Go ahead, come get me. I'm running out.
And I'm gonna show y'all who gonna be that hot shit. I promise you, they ain't gonna be me.
Really he gonna be him. He talking too much. He gonna be him.
It gonna be me?
He gonna be him.
Bet so.
He gonna be him. I ain't gonna bet you though.
Yeah, why they
I'm bet you that hot chip. That one bet you.
Bet they ain't coming to last.
I got you lemon pepper steps. Lemon pepper steps. Lemon pepper steps. Yes, sir.
Let me show them my
Somebody say he finna scratch.
I don't say nothing else.
Say he finna get them scratches in. That boy got a scratch. That boy say he got a scratch. So we ain't gotta do all that. We ain't gotta do all that.
I'm not saying nothing.
Hey, I'm really finna win though. But these lemon pepper stuff, son. Lemon pepper stuff, huh? These bitches just came out. They shit.
Hey, it tastes so. He ain't coming in first.
I don't come in lane. I don't care where I come in there.
You gotta get in the air like a fucking starburst.
I'm really finna win.
Coming out that trap. Like the one person in the trap. They like some McDonald's shoes, bro.
You see how they big got the grip?
These bitches fat as hell.
Fat as hell.
Oh, I'll put my t-shirt back on. I'm bowling on. You can't bowl with them, boy. You can't bowl no more. Right, you
Gotta have these clown shoes on.
they gonna do this guy.
Said did the anthem, huh? Got pretty bitches in them. Yeah, easy. Know what I need right now. One take. Said did the anthem, huh? Got pretty bitches in a phantom getting pampered, huh? Proud of my Kylie bitch, got accepted the Stanford, huh? Bitch, I like money, I'm a rapper and a scammer, huh? Do some ungrateful shit, yeah, that can get you cancer, huh? I been had these gold all in my pants for MC Hammer, huh? Shawty say she shy, but she gon' do that shit on camera, huh? Soak the game up, I bought the 5 bitch on the counter, huh? Game night with some naked bitches like to play the Wii, huh? They play with a lot of shit, no not to play with me, huh? I can't drop no verse or do no show without no fee. Hit 34 hoes a week, guess on the free, can't speak a lick of Greek, huh? Bad vibes on Houston, then learn how to play the pick and roll. Booked up for the weekend, every day I had some different hoes. Told them I can't mind nothing but my business, got a different node. I'm out here in the woods, I set up shop, bitch, you gon' get exposed. They ain't never really talking about shit, they fascinated. Ain't there yet, I barely made it. And I keep my blick for every nigga scared of vaccination. Talking about what you did 6 years ago, that shit ain't fascinating. Did that 2.0, still don't know how the fuck I graduated. graduated. Paint cloud, gotta take a shot. Your hoe a personal burger. Treat that hoe just like the in and out. The dough still on the stove. Told my brother grab a different pot. The shit I cook on crack. Ain't shit up to be figured out. I'm a different breed, bro. My mind on the choke. Just like BD, I start from the house and relocate the stove. That shit baking soda. Bag it up, relocate the dough. Clean nigga, I do dirty shit. For them my own folk. I'm not proud, but I'm surprised you a ride. Did the intro. Blood don't mean shit. I still got smoke with some of my kinfolk. Nigga made it clear, so I ain't team say less. I got the memo. I been this shit, no hint, but how the fuck they get off tempo? Inside I got your tifo. Who they think they finna step on? Surprised I made it out, cause I'm the one that nigga slept on. Mama cried so many nights, she crack a smile, I put on Teflon. Cook that shit up quick, was meant for me, I put the shelf on.
Man, go there.
Yeah, with y'all too.
Hey man, y'all see what's going on, man. I guess I lost the second round.
I wasn't even recording you.
But shit, we gonna get that little hot chip in, man. Gotta eat half of it, he gotta eat the other half.
Y'all done seen me eat that hot chip
I'm
once.
gonna get right though, man.
I'm finna do it again.
I'm gonna get right though,
Go
bro.
live in the flesh. You know what I'm saying?
He said he don't need nothing out there.
Now you go and pop your shit.
All straight, boy. My name King Otto. You know what I'm saying? The biggest.
Yeah.
Feel me? I got the works
We
right
definitely
here.
replay it.
Feel me?
Play that part.
You know what I'm saying? The wall, I got some ice cream. He ain't got nothing. He slipped. What he think? I know he thought he King Kong somebody. Well, shit, you know.
Let me see.
Oh, wait, you want your thunder? That bitch
I'm just saying, I have number one.
stink.
Wait, you think it stink? Wait
That boy gotta eat that hot. That boy gotta eat that hot chip, channel.
Y'all come out here, bro. Y'all come out here.
Y'all eat a hot chip.
Wait.
Y'all both eat at the same time. Y'all eat right here, girl.
Bro,
Grab.
so what you got?
I got more. I got one more peak coming up.
What about right, son?
Grab that little peak.
I feel like I got more than you, though.
We both equal, both got 3 pieces.
You know what I'm saying, bro? This shit ain't that. I ready for this shit ain't that, bro. Already.
Yeah, let's do it. Y'all get closer. Scoot in.
Go down some.
You know what I'm saying? Like I said, shit ain't now. Now.
Woo!
Slight work.
So I got a question.
Slight work.
He got me.
Slight work.
He got
I
me.
got a question.
We'll get another one.
I got a question.
We'll get another one. We'll get another one.
You straight, fool.
What makes a thigh? What makes a female a thigh?
Shit. Got them bodies, you know what I'm saying? Fucking
Shit, what?
up. Lightweight. I'm straight.
So how many bodies for a girl took me to sit? What?
Man,
How
you-
many bodies?
You don't even stutter, bro. You just trying to prolong this shit, man.
Oh, you want to add a question no more?
Fuck.
Shit ain't it?
Ah, fuck, now I got
Go straight down here.
Ooh!
Come interview him.
Oh, there we go. I'm
Yeah,
straight.
you interview him.
You straight, bro?
Damn, boy.
Come back.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? That shit really wasn't Nando. I don't know why he doing all that.
Come back.
When he called, bro, they messed him up. It went down his system.
Hold on.
So what you rate the chip 1 through 10? Nuh-uh. 50? You gotta go lower. 1 through 10. 10.
About 7. About
About
7 type shit. 7.
I got a whole chip for you.
I'm straight.
I got a whole chip.
I'm good.
He was taking
Just let me know
hard.
when you ready to eat that bitch.
I'm done. Yeah. What the fuck? If it really ain't hot, they did the back of my tongue hot, boy. So you don't have my water, but you need to put it in on this.
He said he ain't needing it.
You know what I'm saying? He ain't need that.
It was always.
Throw it up.
Oh shit.
I'll go get another one.
What'd you say?
Man, it's over with, bro.
Let me hear the Star Spangled Banner. Santa
Oh,
Pledge.
say, can you see? I'm out high the fuck. Cause you ain't wanna get on ice cream.
Santa Pledge Allegiance.
I ain't gonna get me a note.
Come back.
Hey man, you know I'm back, man. I'm straight. It ain't hot, you know what I'm saying? I'm bounced back. It was a little hot. You said you gonna do a whole chip, son?
Yes, I'm gonna do the whole chill.
I
bet you won't. Come on. I'll do the whole chill. It ain't nothing to it but to do it. I ain't scared.
Hey man, if y'all remember this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
I ain't eating that shit, bro.
You know what I'm saying, bro? They been a lit day.
Hey, I eat one.
Look at him.
Nah, you
Look at him. But he ain't need nothing though. But he ain't need nothing though. What else, son?
Man, but it got to be hot, man.
Scared?
What cream you got, son?
Yeah, Bama boy.
Peanut butter.
That boy got peanut butter cup.
We can do it though, for real. You know Bama boy, man.
You see that motherfucker?
We can do it. We can do that. You gonna do it?
You eat the whole chill.
What trying to do? We'll get to the crib.
Who the how the YouTuber Alabama 2022?
I don't know how the nigga.
Nah, I think the chip. I think the chip. You know what I'm saying? Are you just playing now? Who's up to playing?
I ain't doing that chill, man.
I don't know how.
Don't get hit, son. Don't get hit, son.
Nah. But I don't know how the nigga out of Alabama and these niggas know that. I be on go film. Oh no, that shit hard. That shit
I'm on top of you, know that.
Yeah.
I put your hat back like a do-rag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tit-tat, mismatch, switch to the flow,
So,
get back.
so he the hot nigga out of Alabama?
Hell no, Alaska. I'm Alabama. 3-3-4.
Who the fuck is this guy? 3-3. No. Ain't nobody worried about this guy. I'm that guy. Fuck what he talking about. I go crazy.
Hey, you straight, bro?
He got
I was
it.
good about him made in the store and grabbed ice cream.
No, you won. You straight now, son.
I get second.
Hell no, you tripping.
100 grand?
You're tripping.